The background to the innovation is on level crossing right now. We've got a lot of CFA piles, concrete piles getting done along the alignment, so for a rail trench. So traditionally, to break back the pile, we use jackhammers, and as you can imagine, highly labor intensive, and breaking back the concrete of the pile to expose the reinforcement. At the start of the project, and we were looking at some alternative way to break back piles. So on Spa, we've got so many CFA piles here, and to break back these concrete piles using a traditional jackhammering system involves a lot of cost. So doing some investigation, we found out an alternative method being non-mechanical getting used on different projects. And what we found out was that Qui Cutter, and what it does, it's a chemical that uses the excess water in the pile, induces a crack, and you eliminate the need to use a jackhammer, so you can only pluck the concrete segment of a pile and it's all disposed of. So we got in touch with a couple of projects, got a sample of that Qui Cutter, got in on Spark, gave it a trial, and saw that it did work. So off the back of that, we said it's the method we should use, because we do save money, time, and eliminating that labor component, the manual component of using a jackhammer, which adds to the safety benefit of the project. On the screen, what we see is an improvement to the Qui Cutter methodology. So what we found out using the Qui Cutter on Spa, the accuracy of the crack where you set the Qui Cutter is not accurate enough. And then using the Qui Cutter, we still needed some sort of jackhammering, a small bit, but you still had to sort of tidy it up. So to improve that methodology with the Qui Cutter, we found that using an HDP disc to help guide where the crack is and being accurate where the cutoff level needs to be, where we need to break back the pile. By introducing that HDP, we found that it does improve the accuracy of the crack and completely eliminating the need of any jackhammering of the pile. The benefit of using the Qui Cutter and eliminating the use of jackhammer, what was found out in Europe, people using the jackhammer for a long period of time damages the nerves in the fingers, and then people would lose their feeling in their fingers. So the added benefit, again, of using that Qui Cutter, no need for that manual handling component, using the jackhammer, it's an added safety benefit of that product. Using the Qui Cutter, I believe by all the alliances on the level crossing would have benefit with time, cost and safety.